Hello and welcome to Come Mine With Me. Today I'm going to be unboxing, installing and testing Ethereum mining performance on the Nvidia RTX 3060 Ti. This is an LHR model and unfortunately it isn't even mine. My friend managed to get a great price for it off eBay luckily. It's still even sealed and he was happy to bring it over one evening so I could open it and test it out and find its most efficient mining settings. This will also hopefully help me and you decide if it seems worth looking into the 30 series LHR cards specifically for mining at the moment. Well, for mining Ethereum anyway. I would have tested other coins if I had more time with it. Hopefully I'll get my own 30 series card soon, and I'll give my thoughts and conclusion at the end, but for now, let's just let the video roll.
Awesome. It's firing up.
Oh, here we go. Installation complete. Nice. Let's just check device manager. And door check. Make sure the display devices are there. Yep. Alright, so 3060 Ti. Let's bring that down to 80 power limit just to start. Just to keep those temperatures down a little. Ooh, intensity 21.3. Target hash rate for unlocker 38.19 it says there. So it is 74 by the looks of it. 159 watts at 38.3 mega hash. Right, let's try and tune this bad boy. So first off, I guess, let's just mess with the memory. So we'll jump up to 600 to start. Oh damn! That's dropped it. Okay, it's trying to work back up again. What? Okay. Okay, now we're going over 40. Maybe it had to go down to go back up again or something. Dunno. That is weird. Okay, let's bump that up again. Still there, 44.39. Seems fine at 1,000, so let's save it there. Let's go 1,100. It seems to like need to go down a bit to come back up again or something. It's weird. 44.97, 45.52, 46. That jumped up like an entire mega hash. Bump it up to 1,300. 4604. Yeah, let's give it a go. 1350. Whoa, 46.72. 46.84. I was thinking of doing the core clock lock before playing with the core clock.
Yeah.
I'm just going to pull down a bunch of the clocks. Right, let's try the core clock lock at 1,000 first and see what happens. Whoa, it found a share at 0 hashes a second. Amazing. That was the 3060 Ti as well. That's hilarious. No, maybe it doesn't like the core clock lock. That's what I got from that. That was the only thing I changed for it to drop down that button. 1,200. It came up with a exclamation mark. Right, I think I'm going to have to pull this down a little bit because it came up with an error on the DAG file.
Yeah.
Let's give that a go. I'm not sure if there was an error before or if I missed it or not. It'll normally like show up like there just after the bracket when it's created a DAG for a GPU, and GPU 1 is the 3060 Ti, so yeah, that came up fine that time. Let's see if it works up at all. Maybe it doesn't like the core clock lock, you know, some cards don't. Right, well 1400 on the core clock lock is definitely bringing it up. 46.66. Alright, let's try bumping it up another 100. 1500 on the core clock lock. Oh, 47.24. I'll tell you what, let's bring the power limit all the way down and see what that does. Brought it down to 99 watts. Mad. 2.5 minutes since last lock. Unlocking. Oh, what is going what? What? 49.24 watt? What the? What? Resuming mining. Changing LHR tuning. 23 watts.
That's insane. But it is only going 21 megahertz.
Okay. Well, it's not liking whatever's going on right now.
It's
So
going crazy.
Let's take its power back.
It's gone down to 11 megahertz.
Wow. Let's put it up.
Have you ever seen a card that big? This is
No,
this is
that's
crazy.
insane. Oh, 144 watts, so hopefully this will bump up quite quickly now. But
Is that
still.
over what it was originally?
Yeah, I put it at 80 watts originally. I thought I'll put it up to 90. Let's see if it actually goes over.
Yeah.
Yeah. If that bumps up closer to 48 megahash when it finally gets back up there. Let's give that going out. Power at 70. I just realised it's not locking the core clock. Yeah, let's give that 1350 a go. Seems to be a magical area, maybe.
Yeah.
Let's save this as well.
Tuning, because I couldn't get them to 0.
Tell you what, I'm going to put that back to 80 because we're not getting anything over 46. We were getting like 46 to 47 megahash with the 80. Oh, but we have dropped the clock by 50 megahertz as well. I forgot about that. Alright, so this was my first LHR card I've had the chance to have a go at mining with, and the best mining performance I could achieve was between 46 and 47 megahash per second on Ethereum at between 140 and 160 watts. That's using T-Rex Miner, which unlocks the hash rate up to 74% of the card's potential, which gives this card around a 300 kilohash per watt efficiency. Now, I'm looking forward to getting my hands on my own to test out other coins, but if you're considering buying these to mine Ethereum, then first consider that you'll get better power efficiency with the 20 series and the 16 series, and I'm personally aiming for efficiency. So for now, this test showed me that cost per mega hash wise, I'm better sticking with the 20 series, 16 series, or even getting a 3090 if the price is right, as they're not mining limited. Well, that's it for this video. If you enjoyed the content or learned something, please drop a like, consider subscribing to the channel, and I'll catch you in the next one. Goodbye for now. Peace.